In this video, I will be demonstrating the Canine Parvovirus SNAP test from IDEXX. Now within this kit, we are given a swab that contains our anti-parvovirus HRPO conjugate in this bulb assembly here, and the SNAP device itself. We're going to take the swab out of the plastic tube and obtain a sample of fecal matter. Now, as you can tell, mine is quite watery, so I'm just trying to get a little bit of what I can here. Hopefully, when you're in the clinic, you'll get something a little bit more solid, and if that's the case, you'll just kind of roll the swab around in different parts of your sample, and then we're going to just put it back into this tube and make sure it's secure. You don't want to get too much fecal matter on there, because if it's too much heavy particulates, it's not going to go through this matrix very well. So we're going to snap this purple valve stem that's in the bulb assembly by bending it and then rebending it. And this is going to allow that HRPO conjugate to go all the way down to the bottom of the tube where our swab is. And we are just going to squeeze this bulb at least 5 times, and I like to kind of hit the end of it, which you'll need to if you have some more solid pieces in there. Make sure that it's thoroughly mixed, and we just keep doing this. Once your sample has been mixed, you're going to squeeze this and get all of that back into this bulb assembly, and then we're going to use this swab like a pipette, and we're going to dispense 5 drops of the sample into the well of our device kit. And you'll watch the sample flow across the results window. And as soon as it hits that activation circle, we're going to snap the test down. And this could take up to 30 to 60 seconds. There it is, and snapped. And this is going to incubate at room temperature for 10 minutes. Okay, so our 10-minute timer just went off, and we have some color development. The top circle is our positive control. To the left is a negative control spot, and to the right is our CPV sample spot. So we have color development here and good color development in our control, which means this is a valid positive test for CPV. If no color had developed at all in that positive control, it would be an invalid test and we would have to rerun it. If color developed in the negative control spot that was equal to or darker than our patient sample, that would be a false positive and we would need to rerun it. If we had allowed that sample to flow past the activation circle and we didn't actually snap it down in time, some background color would have developed. And some background is okay, that's normal. However, if that coloration obscures the test results at all and makes it difficult to read, then we consider it invalid and we have to rerun it.